Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Today we have to discuss nutrition disorders. Beta, apart from the diseases that are caused by the microbes like bacteria, viruses, unicellular organisms, amoeba, plasmodiums, we can also become ill in another way. If we eat too much or too little, it causes malnutrition, and malnutrition has very serious effects on our health. If we eat too much or don't take exercise, we become fat or obese. A person who is obese is at the risk of many other diseases such as diabetes, heart disease, asthma and arthritis. Diabetes is a disease that is caused when there is an organ in our body that is known as pancreas. When pancreas does not work properly, a person get diabetes. Pancreas produce a hormone that is known as insulin. Insulin control the level of glucose in our blood. We can say that it control blood sugar level. And if insulin is not produced in proper amount, our sugar level in the blood get rise or low, and this condition is known as diabetes. A person with diabetes could go to develop serious health problems such as heart diseases, blindness and even limb amputation. Another disease that is caused by the malnutrition is heart disease. Heart is an important organ of circulatory system. It is a pumping organ. It is about the size of a clenched fist, and it pumps blood around the body. As it is also an organ, it requires blood, and this blood supply to the heart is carried by the coronary arteries and coronary veins. Heart diseases happens when coronary arteries get blocked by a fatty substance called cholesterol. A cramp-like pain in the chest causes angina pain. The cholesterol in the blood coronary arteries causes them to become narrow or rough, due to which the blood clot in these arteries, and this clot can even block the artery completely, and this blockage is known as thrombosis. A heart attack is a thrombosis in the coronary arteries. When heart attack occurs, the supply to the heart, part of the heart stop, and it stop beating, and a person may die due to the heart attack. Another disease is asthma. Asthma is a condition that affects the tubes that carry air in and out of the lungs, that is trachea, bronchi, bronchioles, and the lining of these tubes become inflamed, and they are very sensitive to the things like pollen, dust, pests and even cold weathers. This causes the tubes to become narrow, and breathing become very difficult. Okay student, next we have to do test yourself. First 4 questions of this test yourself. Question number 1, explain how a person become fat or obese. The answer is on page number 62, and it will start from this line. If we eat too much or don't take enough exercise, we become fat or obese. Clear? Question number 2, part A, what is a diabetes? The answer is again on page number 62, and it will start from this line. A diabetes is a condition up to this line, the level of glucose in the blood. Clear? Question number 2, part B, name 2 health problems caused by diabetes. The answer will start from this line. People with diabetes could go on to develop serious health problems such as heart disease, blindness and even limb amputation. Question number 3, name 2 diseases of the heart. Angina and heart attack are the 2 diseases of the heart. Here and you can see from here angina and heart attack are the diseases of the heart. Next, question number 4. Explain why someone with asthma find it difficult to breathe in cold weather. The answer is on page number 62, and it will start from this line. Asthma is a condition that affects the tube up to this. Thank you.